everybody and welcome. Today's video is the unboxing of our Boxycharm Premium Box for March 2021. This is a try on and review video. I think there may be only like one or two things in the box that I did not test out just yet, but I will definitely let you guys know in the future. Anyways, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play in makeup, talk about makeup, and just remember at the end of the day, it's just makeup. It's not that serious. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I do a lot of plus-size, curvy girl fashion hauls over there, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram. I'm going to pop up a QR code, and if you just hold your camera phone over the QR code, it'll take you right over to my Instagram. If you are actually watching me on your phone right now and you can't use anything to pop up the QR code, what have you, blah blah blah, just check my link down below, and if you click the link, it'll take you over there as well. It's just at hotmessmomma4, trying to get that 10K swipey uppy so I can link my videos for you guys so it's easier to get over here. But anywho, I have made the intro long enough. Welcome to my Gemini ADHD strong brain. Let's go ahead and jump on in. I am caffeinated yet again. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Okay, so if you are new to Boxycharm Premium Box, this is a March 2021 box. It is $35 a month. You will receive at least $175 or up to $175 worth of goodies, and you do get to customize one of the items in the box. I am lying. Nope, nope, nope. You now get to customize two of the items starting in April for your premium box. If you are new to Boxycharm and you do want to sign up, I will have a link down below for you guys. If there are any coupon codes, I will make sure to link them as well. Starting on March 15th, you will be able to jump into your account and choose two items for the premium box, and the price is staying the same. Are you excited? Yes, yes I am. Okay, anyhow, let's go ahead and jump into the box. When you open it up, this is what it looks like on the, actually ignore what it looks like on the inside because I have what looks like double products in here only because I already had some of the items opened already. So instead of opening a brand new product, I just use them what I got. So you are going to receive a card in here, and Boxycharm does theme their boxes every single month, so it is going to be a different theme. This month's theme for March is Boxycharm Lucky. On the other side, you are going to see a list of the items that is in this box, as well as a little information about them and the retail value of the items. So starting off, the first item in here, I'm going to just show you guys the two items in here that I have not used just yet. But the first one is the Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. So these are really cute brushes. So these are what the brushes look like. You do get a nice four-piece set of eye brushes in here. And as you guys know, your girl absolutely loves receiving brushes and my subscriptions because I hate to clean my brushes. So anytime that I can get new brushes and add to my crazy collection, I do that. I do that. So a little information about this brush set. It does have a retail value of $48. Perfect your eye look with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. And I do feel like it is definitely the brushes that you would use every day. I feel like they're actually going to be pretty user-friendly if you do have slightly hooded eyes, which is a really nice thing because I do struggle with that, and finding the right brush to get into the corner without doing too much skipping is kind of a struggle. So these look promising. Okay, so the next item in here that I'm going to talk about that I did not try out yet, this was actually a choice item, I do believe, and this is the Glow Skin Beauty Beta Clarity BHA Drops with Salicylic and Retinol Clarifying Serum. Out of all of the serums, there was like, I think another serum in there that had lactic acid. This is the one I wanted because I love salicylic acid because I do have acne prone skin. A little information about this: the Glow Skin Beauty Beta Clarity BHA drops do have a retail value of $48. These are reformulated drops and they feature clarifying alpha and beta hydroxy acids to eliminate impurities, rebalance excess oil, and visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and pores, while radiance promoting retinol smooths and revitalizes. Perfect for all skin types except extremely sensitive skin. I fortunately do not have extremely sensitive skin. However, I will say anytime that I apply anything and make my, like, actually anything, like if it's on my arms or on my face, I get what's called apparently skin writing. I forget the technical term. If I can be fancy, I'll pop it up on the screen. But yeah, it's not sensitive. I mean, I can do whatever and put whatever on the skin. It just, you touch it and it's like, you just touched me. It's so annoying. So I don't know why I just tangented like that. Welcome. But that is the next item in here. I make my videos very weird. If you come for professionalism, you should not. We're friends just BSing, drinking coffee, tea, whatever it may be. We're not here to be profesh. Okay, so the next item in here, and I actually labeled the box because I like to act like I have my life together. So the item in here is the Too Faced Hydrating Lightweight Hangover Good to Go Moisturizer with SPF 25. So this is the one that came in my Boxycharm box, but I already had one that was open. A little information about this item. It does have a retail value of $35. It's a hangover good to go, protects, giving you hydrated glowing complexion that you want while shielding you from the harmful UVA and UVB rays. With broad spectrum 25 protection, this lightweight dewy moisturizer is a daily source of antioxidants, vitamin enriched moisture, and sun protection. Retail value $35. It also has coconut water, pre and probiotic base ingredients in here as well. And I actually really enjoyed it. I paired it with the Fenty Beauty, which if you didn't see, this did come in the Luxe. It was a choice item, and that's the foundation that I do have on today. Now this is a soft matte foundation, so for me, I have normal to dry skin. My T-zone can get a little bit on the oily side, but for the most part, because I use so many anti-aging products, I just have normal to dry skin right now. And with that being said, because I knew I was using this foundation today, I use a lot of moisturizing primers, including this one. And you guys can see, like, I have radiance coming through my skin. This is not like a suck you dry type of foundation, and I feel like this is really comfortable. I definitely feel like it's one of those products that even on a no makeup day I would definitely be reaching for, because it does have that little amount of moisturizer. And I say little because when you first apply it, it doesn't feel like you have a lot of moisturizer on, but kind of as the day progresses, you do start to feel like, by looking at my skin, you can start to see some of the radiance pull through. Probably makes zero sense, but I'm not the best at explaining things, but I definitely like it. And I feel like if you have oily skin, I don't necessarily feel like this is going to be too over the top for you moisturizing property wise. Trying to sound fancy. Okay, anyways, let's move on to the next item, and that is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. You guys, I have some thoughts on this one because it may shock you actually. So, a little information about this mascara. It does have a retail value of $23, and it says the Ultra Black Vegan Mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. $23 retail value. Because right off the bat, I was very much like, I don't like this I don't like this mascara. No, it's a no for me. I don't like it. I do, however, love the brush on it. Here's the other thing that's going to shock you. I now really like this mascara. So I feel like when you first open it up, it's one of those mascaras that, what do they say with wine? It ages, you age like fine wine. I don't think they say it about wine, they say it about people. Anywho, I feel like that's how this mascara is. Like, as you use it or you let it sit, it ages like fine wine. It's so weird. But I really like this mascara now, because I'm the type of person that even if I'm not wearing makeup, but I want to like I'm running out and obviously I'm masked up, I still want a little bit of something on my lashes, and I'm very extra when it comes to mascara. I have mascara that is only for that. I'm just wearing a mask. I'm not putting anything else on my face, and that would be a lot of the times my Wonder Beauty Mile High and mascara, but it's also the Big Ego mascara as well. However, this one I also like pairing with my Blink Black primer, which I did today, and you'll see it in this video. I like this both ways, so I can just get away with just lightly feathering it on my lashes and running out, and then I like making it very voluminous as well. So this is a mascara that initially I did not like. I probably even put it in like a Mrs. video, but the more I've used it and let it sit, the more I actually really like it. So I was surprised. So, and you guys know I like to call myself a mascara connoisseur. Whatever. Okay, moving on to the last two items in here, and the reason I'm going to just show them at the same time is because that's how I did it in the video. The first one is the House Lavatory. A lavatory is in an airplane. It's laboratories. Can we just talk about, I'm going to tangent once again. I was doing a sneak peek spoiler months and months ago because we were seeing the House Laboratories items kind of like in surveys and everything. I had to edit the whole freaking video, cutting out where I would say I said laboratories, not laboratories. So bad, so annoying. So luckily I caught myself today. So this is a lip liner in the shade Rule, and it is beautiful. First of all, I love the packaging component on here. It's like an extra, like you could probably stab somebody with it or something, but it's really cute. And then I did receive the lipstick, both of which is what is on my lips now. The lipstick, it's Kiss My, I guess. Oh no, it's by Rowan, and it's in the shade Charlie, and it is so pretty. Again, I love the component. These paired together is just, it's kind of like really cute, right? So I actually, when I first opened this up, I'm like, oh, she's dark. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. But once I applied it, it's a very, very comfortable like lip gloss. So let me read a little information about each. The House Laboratories RIP lip liner has a retail value of $16. It's a creamy high pigment lip pencil. This creamy high pigment lip pencil balances precision with one stroke, demi-matte payoff to slay your lip look every time. The comfortable long wearing formula was made to outline with ease, or you can fill in all over with color. I really, really like this lip liner, guys. And you guys know I'm kind of snotty and snobby with my lip liners because I love the Gerard Cosmetics lip liners so much, like AKA Sugar and Spice, my color. I really like this. It's really creamy, really comfortable, really easy to maneuver. It said it is a demi-matte, and I like the fact that, again, it's not a suck you in kind of matte. It's very soft and very comfortable. And if you guys saw my Luxe unboxing, I talked about how my lips have been really dry. So I really like this lip liner a lot by House Laboratories. I'm annoying, I know. As far as the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, this has a retail value of $26. It's a non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. This liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect, it provides a high shine of a gloss with nourishment of a balm. $26 retail value. I flippin' love it. If you guys know about the saga drama that I had with some of the items in my Luxe box, my lips are thanking me like something else right now. I love these two paired together. This Rowan lip, what is it called? Liquid lip balm. Super comfortable. Your hair is gonna stick, I think. Oh, it does. It does. Why? You knew. Yeah, your hair is gonna stick to it. So be careful on a windy day, but I'm okay with that because I definitely like more of like a lip gloss, lip oil type of situation anyways. but I love the fact that they paired this together, these two shades. They complement each other perfectly. I love that it is definitely within my color comfort wheel type of thing. So overall, this box is $35, and everything in this box did come to a total of $196. Do I feel like for $35 you're getting your money's worth for this premium box? Yes. And let me tell you guys, when I first initially opened up the premium box, which by the way was sent to me complimentary from Boxycharm, I did feel a little underwhelmed. If I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I did feel a little underwhelmed until I dove in and started playing with the items. So if you're like me and you got that feeling right away, get in there and play with the items. You know, pair the Hangover Good to Go, pair it with your foundation that you might not be too sure about. You know, skincare, I always love to get good skincare. I am curious about this because I have been seeing a lot of commercials on YouTube about this particular brand, so I am very curious to try it out. And again, I always tell you guys, I love to get brushes in my subscription boxes just because it's an easy way to grow your brush collection. And you know, this would not have been something I would have picked out, but I'm really excited to receive it. Hold up, guys. My son is dancing behind the camera. Do you need something?
No.
But I love these two paired together, and you guys know I'm trying more and more to get outside of my comfort zone when it comes to colors. So overall, I'm very happy with it. I think that if you look at it like that, you definitely get your $35 worth. Granted, there's a couple products in here I still need to test out, but overall, the items that I have are definitely worth it as far as I'm concerned. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Again, if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will leave the link down below for you guys. It is an affiliate link, so thank you guys in advance if you do use it. If there are any coupons that are still live and active, I will link those down below for you guys. They may be active the day that I fill out my description box, but by the time the video goes live, they may no longer be live, just letting you guys know. As far as that goes, don't forget, March 15th is when you can go into your account and make your choices for April. The premium box, you will be able to make 2 choices, and as we know right now, there is a Natasha Denona palette that is going to be a choice option as one of the choices. I am so excited about it. It's such a beautiful palette. And as far as the base box, that does open up as well on March 15th at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Right after that, you're going to be able to jump in and shop add-ons. You guys already know I'm going to be getting that Rose Plus Quartz Conditioner hair mask if it is still available. Hopefully their shampoo came back in stock. Anyways, I am rambling. I can see I'm getting a text from my daughter. I'm hopping off for now. Don't forget to give me a follow over on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, over on Instagram at HotmessMomma04. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.